Hey, I'm Claire, and I just wanted to say how amazing Oasis Plumbing is. I live in Miami Shores, and I had a plumbing issue in my home. It was so stressful not knowing what to do and who to trust. When I searched online and found Oasis Plumbing, I saw all their reviews, and it immediately gave me a sense of relief seeing hundreds of previous clients who wrote 5-star reviews. I called and reached Carmel on the phone. She was so helpful and reassuring. She got me scheduled, and I immediately got a text confirmation of the appointment booking. Then the next day, when the technician was headed to my home, I got a text that he was on the way with a photo of him. It was so comforting knowing who's coming into my home. The level of trust and reassurance that I felt was comforting to me. Because of being home alone with my 6-year-old son, when someone is coming to fix something in my house, it can feel kind of scary. When Ronnie arrived, he was so polite and he put on shoe covers. He was patient and listened to me while I showed him all the things that needed to be fixed. He gave me some options with different price points to choose from and explained all the different repairs so I could choose how I wanted it fixed and what level of warranty. He started working on the repairs right away. I really appreciated that he put down drop cloths, and then Ronnie asked me to inspect everything and made sure it was perfect after everything was fixed. The whole process was so convenient and reassuring and trusting. I felt super comfortable with Ronnie in my home. I really appreciate how Oasis Plumbing took care of the repairs and relieved me of my concerns. The trust, reassurance, being comfortable with the technicians in my home, all of it. You know, Ronnie mentioned to me that he has little kids. While he was working, my son was watching him. I thought it might be like annoying that he was standing over his shoulder, but Ronnie was so good about it.
Yeah, he told me what a monkey wrench is. It didn't look anything like a monkey, but the inventor's name is Charles Monkey.
Yeah, Ronnie told you that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was really nice, wasn't he?
Yeah. Can Ronnie come back to our house?
Well, hopefully we won't need any repairs, but he showed up on time, and that is so important for a busy mom. Between school drop-off and pickup, and my schedule is crazy, and I really appreciate them accommodating me and being on time and making a nerve-wracking situation so pleasant and smooth. Oh, and then to top it off, the next day, Carmel called me to follow up, making sure the service went great and that everything was working perfectly. I recommend Oasis Plumbing to all of my friends and neighbors.